Ever wonder what powers the world's financial decisions? At Woxsen University's Bloomberg Finance Lab, we are not just studying the markets, we are actually participating in them. And it's not just the theory. We are given the market data and the industry standard tools to develop hands-on finance skills which the modern industry requires. From real-world case studies to live simulations, every step prepares us for the challenges outside the classroom.
Bloomberg Terminal is like having entire financial world on your fingertips. Through 3 Bloomberg certificates, we have mastered the tools that industrial individuals use in their daily life. Bloomberg Financial Fundamentals Certificate laid our foundation in understanding financial markets. Bloomberg Market Concept Certificate enhanced our knowledge in understanding financial indicators, economic tools, and terminal basics, and lot more.
And with our Bloomberg Environmental, Social and Governance certification, we have gained crucial insights into sustainable finance and responsible investing. And here where it gets really exciting. We have recently participated in the Bloomberg Global Trading Challenge.
Imagine competing with top universities worldwide, developing real-time trading strategies, and actively investing in them. And that's exactly what we did.
The Bloomberg Lab at Woxsen isn't just a classroom, it's a gateway to Wall Street. We analyze market trends, track global securities, and build financial models just like the professionals.
What's truly amazing is how these skills translate to real world. Investment bank, asset management firms, and financial institutes all use the same Bloomberg terminal what we master here. This hands-on experience opens door to wide range of opportunities. Corporate finance, investment banks too, asset management firms, and fintech. Employees are always looking for the graduates who have ground-running experience in Bloomberg.
And you know what makes Woxsen special? The Bloomberg Finance Lab at Woxsen University houses 20 terminals, each providing unlimited access to these powerful tools, and with expert guidance to help us succeed.
Join us in shaping the future of finance. Visit Bloomberg Finance Lab, Woxsen University, and start your journey to become certified financial professional.
Your future in finance starts here.